Join us in creating the crisscross cozy shrug. Let's get started. We'll start with 94 chains. Although I did follow the pattern verbatim for small size crisscross cozy shrug, I did adjust the hook size. Instead of using a 5.5 millimeter hook, I ended up using a 6.5 in order to ensure that the shrug was a little bit more roomy. Okay, so now we have 94 chains. And for row 1, we'll double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Then we'll go back and double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook in order to create a crisscross. Just yarn over and slide the hook in from back to front and double crochet. Now skip the next chain and double crochet into the next chain. Then go back to the previously skipped chain and double crochet from front to back. Now repeat this pattern till the end of the row. Skip one chain and double crochet into the next chain. And double crochet into the previously skipped chain. Once we've reached the end of the row, double crochet into the last chain. Now for row 2, chain 1 and single crochet into each double crochet across. Now for row 3, chain 3, turn, skip the next single crochet, and then double crochet into the next single crochet. Now we'll go back and double crochet into the previously skipped single crochet and repeat this pattern across. Sorry about that, guys. It seemed to be a little too close to the bottom of the screen. But don't worry, it gets better as the video goes on. Luckily, we're only doing 2 stitches for this entire project. The double crochet and single crochet. Skip the next single crochet and double crochet in the very next single crochet. And go back and double crochet in the previously skipped single crochet. And so on, and so on, and so on. And now let's double crochet into the last single crochet. Now for row 4, chain 1, turn, and single crochet into the next 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then do 2 single crochet in the next double crochet, 1 and 2, and repeat this pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and then 2 single crochet in the next double crochet. Once you reach the end of the row, single crochet into the last 3 double crochet. Now for rows 5, 7, 9, and 11, we're going to repeat row 3, which is what I'll call the crisscross stitch. Chain 3, skip the next single crochet, double crochet into the next single crochet, and then double crochet into the previously skipped single crochet. Remember, we're going to repeat row 3 for rows 5, 7, 9, and 11. Next up is row 6, which is a repeat of row 2. Chain 1, turn, single crochet in each double crochet across. After this is row 7, which is a repeat of row 3. So once we're done with row 6, go ahead and complete row 7, which is a repeat of row 3, and meet me here at row 8. So row 8, chain 1, turn, and single crochet into the next 11 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 2 single crochet in the next double crochet, and repeat this pattern across. Remember, row 9 was a repeat of row 3, so now for rows 10 and 12, we'll repeat row 2. Chain 1, turn, and single crochet in each double crochet across. Once you're done with row 10, go ahead and complete row 11, and then meet me back here for row 12, which is chain 1, turn, and single crochet in each double crochet across. Now for rows 13 and 14, chain 1, turn, and single crochet in each stitch across. Row 15, chain 3, turn, skip the next single crochet, double crochet in the next single crochet, and then double crochet in the previously skipped single crochet, and repeat. Continue on with the crisscross stitch until you reach the end of row 15. Now for row 16 and 17, repeat row 2. Chain 1, turn, and single crochet in each stitch across. After reaching the end of row 17, with right sides together, that's the more textured crisscross sides facing each other, fold the cozy in half crosswise. Now working through both layers, single crochet along the edges of rows to join short ends together. Your goal is to single crochet as evenly as possible until you reach the first row of the cozy. Once you reach the top corner of row 1, for round 1, you'll chain 1 and single crochet in each double crochet around. Then slip stitch to join. Now for round 2, chain 1 and single crochet in the next 8 single crochet. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and skip the next single crochet and then single crochet in the next 8 single crochet and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Skip the next single crochet and repeat. Once you reach the end of round 2, slip stitch to join and fasten off. Now it's time to weave in all those ends. And since I chose a yarn that automatically changes colors, I have very few ends to weave. And voila! Your crisscross cozy is complete. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video.